Master here. We have a 2007 Ford Taurus. This goes for many years. I'm going to show you how to repair when you're not getting power to your lighter for your cell phone or cigarette lighter. First thing you want to check is the fuse, and the fuse for the interiors under the steering wheel, right where the brake pedal is. So now the lighter is out, and we checked out its fuse number 29 in the passenger compartment. So we look at the back, look at the template on this cover here, which one is 29, and you can see it right here. So now we're going to match that up and take that one out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, blown fuse. Let me see if I can get that in focus here. If you hold it up to the sun, kind of do it, you can see that the fuse is blown. It doesn't really show in this video. So we're going to replace that fuse and the lighter should work. Put the new fuse in. We just checked it. It does have power. So usually a lot of these wires get loose and they're junk today and they spark and they set the fuse off. And so every once in a while you might have to change your fuse. But that took care of it. Everything working good. Beer Master.